is my key not working?
Hello. Who that at my door?
It's me, Danica.
Where the backside I come from?
I'm coming from Cheryl's house.
Silly it?
But why is my key not working?
Can me change the lock them from my door? Can me now run the hotel and not Airbnb?
How am I going to get in the house then?
We right this up. At what time you call this, Jamaica?
This is not my fault. I missed my train.
Miss your train? You mistake me for an idiot. You think so this is a circus so you can run in and run out. You think so Hilton's hotel this. Where you really come from, Jamaica? You come from Yaad. You take bad man for fool. You try no seminar and space in this yard. So nobody come bring no pitney in your son. Me look like my born yesterday. You think so you little trick them can hurt upon me. Try no some dip on this hurt before you was even a thought. Disrespectful and out hard. I get in the yard.
No, you're going to hit me.
You know, alright. Since you know what,
What? All this because I missed my train.